Hello friends, this is Ehtasham Abe and you're watching Grooming Logics. So today I'm back with another video, the wireless earbuds unboxing. Model name is BD-800 TWS and it's I think a Remax brand. It's basically BD-800 by WK. So this is the box. As you can see, some of the quick specifications are written. And on the back it supports Android as well as iOS, and it includes a mini storage box for storage and charging the earbuds. These earbuds cannot be charged directly, and the storage box provide you 2 to 3 times of charging the earbuds. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's quickly start the unboxing of these earbuds. And one more thing, the package is quite premium, as you can see. Okay, don't waste any more time. Okay, so this here is the first some paperwork, and here is written "Welcome to WK's music world," and I hope for that its sound quality will be good enough, and let's see what its battery timing will be. Okay, so these are some of the paperworks. Okay, one is stuck there. Okay, so this is basically a warranty card. With this, it's come in warranty and a user manual and quality control passed certification. Okay, and some quick instruction that how you can pair this earphone with a Bluetooth device with smartphone or laptops, and as well as connecting both the earphones with each other. So let's now check the earphones. Okay, so these are the earphones basically, as you can see. Okay, so this is actually the left channel and this is the right one. Okay, so alongside is the charging storage box and WK design, the brand name, and it's made in China, and it supports Bluetooth 4.2 plus EDR plus dual mode. It supports dual mode. You can connect both the earbuds simultaneously, and model number BD-800, and signal to noise ratio is less than or equal to 90 dB. Okay, so let me open up the box. Okay, so all you need to do is just place these earbuds in the box like that, and here's the power button. As you can see, just you have to push this button and the charging of these earbuds will start. Okay, so this is the quick overview of these earbuds, that how it can be charged. And you cannot charge these earbuds directly, you have to charge through the charging box. And one more thing, the charging box can be charged through this micro USB port here, and a notification LED which will notify you when it's charging, when the case is charging, or either the earbuds are on charging. When I push the button again, it's turn off the charging, and again the notification light, the white light, also turns off. So it means that the earphones are not charging. Okay, so these are some of the extra ear tips, a large and small size. The medium size ear tips are on the earbud itself. Okay, large size. And here is the charging cable. As you can see, micro USB. You can just put it like this and connect with this to the power bank or to the charger. And in instruction manual, it's clearly written that you can charge this charging case with 0.5 ampere or 0.55 ampere current, not with greater power rating, because it will damage this charging box. So you must keep this thing in mind. And to completely charge this, it might takes 2 hours to completely charge this, and you can enjoy. And the power bank itself can charge these earbuds 2 to 3 times So it will last up to 12 hours. Here is the specifications are written that it will last up to 12 hours. So 12 hours, it means that 3 times and 3 times and 3 times and 3 times. So first you charge this, you can use up to 12 hours. But the battery capacity of individual earbuds is 50 milliampere hour. So I think it's enough. It will last up to 3 hours, 3 and 3.5 hours. And one most important thing about the sound quality of these earbuds is pretty good. The bass is high and the vocals are clear, and I haven't seen earbuds like this before, because you have to compromise either on bass or sound clarity, but here it provides both simultaneously. It's heavy bass and the sound is much clear. This price segment justify its price. That's its price is reasonable, and I bought this for around about 150 yuan in China, and around about 3,100 Pakistani rupees if you convert the CNY to PKR. So that's all for now. This is Ihtisham Ahmed and I'm signing off. And if you like my video, then please do hit the like button, share, comments and subscribe. And the most importantly, subscribe to my channel if you like my video. This is Ihtisham Ahmed and I'm signing off. As you can see, it's a glossy design with the glossy finish. You can see, well, pretty much impressive, the quality. Okay.